In this lesson you will learn how to destroy the ball after the goal has been scored, spawn new ball if game is not over yet, and you will learn how to restart currently running scene to reset the game after one of the players has won. Let's get started. In previous lesson we have established connection between our ball and the game manager. Why this is important and what does it allow us to do? Now, when ball hits any of the player gates, we can ask game manager to increase score of players, destroy ball which went out of the field, and spawn new ball instead. First, let's deal with scoring. I will go to Mono Develop and open two scripts side by side. To arrange my view like that, I will simply click on the Game Manager tab and drag it to the right. On the left side I have ball script and on the right side I have Game Manager script. Now in the ball script, let's look at the onTriggerEnter method. Here is part where we check whether ball has went through player 1 gate. And if it has, then we should increase player 2 score by 1. We have method inside Game Manager which does exactly that. Update player 2 score. But how do we call it? Very easily. We have reference to Game Manager inside ball script. If we want to call update player 2 score, we will use dot operator on the Game Manager instance inside the ball script. Game Manager dot update player 2 score and parentheses. As you can see, we have an error. If you look at update player 2 score method inside Game Manager script, you will see that it's not public. Let's change that. Simply add word public before the void word for both update player score methods. After we save Game Manager script, you'll notice that error inside ball script is now gone. I'll quickly add scoring for player 1 as well. Let's run our game and check how scoring is working now. Let any of the players miss the ball, and in the console we should see which player has score 1 now. Okay, all this is exciting, but now we have a ball flying somewhere outside camera view, and most importantly, we can't play anymore. First, let's take care of a stray ball. I will use Game Manager to destroy the ball, because that is the same place where we spawn it, and I think this way gameflow will be better organized. For now I will simply add a destroy command right after we print result into console. So for player 1 I will add line destroy, open parentheses. Here I will specify Gameobject I want to be destroyed, and that will be our ball instance. However, before I close parentheses, I will type comma, after which I will add a delay in seconds. Let's say 1 second. It should be a floating point number, so I will add F after my 1 second delay and just close parentheses. Let's copy this code for player 2 as well, and we are ready to test. Run the game, let ball hit any of the gates, and after 1 second it will be destroyed. You can confirm that by checking the hierarchy tab. Now let's deal with ball spawn. We already have a method inside Game Manager which is responsible for spawning the ball. It's a setBall method. All we have to do now is call setBall when we want a new ball to appear, and it would only make sense to spawn new ball after score has been updated. So will be your little task. Spawn the ball when any of players has scored. I'm sure you know how to do it.